This video will look at how to obtain signatures through Arthur. The benefit of sending your documents for signature through the system allows you to track the document, saves time and paper, and also brings the completed document back into the system once all parties have signed. The first thing that you will need to make sure you have done is purchase signatures from the Arthur store. It's best that you purchase the envelopes before sending, as it works out cheaper per envelope if you buy more. You are able to send documents without doing this, but you'll just be charged for one envelope if you decide not to purchase in bulk. So you can send any type of document for signature through the system. However, they can only be sent at tenancy level. This is just the way the integration works. To be able to send a document, you will first need to find the tenancy and associated document. This document might be attached from another area of the system. You might upload the document from your computer, or it might be a mail-merged document. In this example, we're going to look at adding signatures by adding boxes to the document. So to add a signature to this document here, I'm going to click on this drop-down arrow and create digital signature. So selecting this individual option here does not allow you to choose multiple signers for the document. As you can see, it only gives me the option to add a signature box without a name. It will send a copy of the document to each individual who will sign their own copy of the document before it's returned to the system if I choose to send the document in this fashion. The second and more commonly used option is to send as a group. This allows you to choose the recipients and add the signature boxes for where they need to sign. You can then change the order in which each person needs to sign by dragging the names into the correct order. This next step allows you to add any additional documents to the envelope. The documents listed here are attached to the tenancy and to the unit, so I can tick these to add them to the envelope as well if I need to. If there's another document that you need to add to the envelope, you can search for all documents in the system by ticking this option here and using the search function to help narrow the selection down. I can then change the text that appears here in this highlighted field if I want to, before reaching the final confirmation stage. Arthur will show me that these are the two people that will be receiving this contract along with these other attachments. It's important to note that these other attachments cannot be signed. It's letting me know that I have 2 credits available and it's going to use 1 credit to send this envelope. You then need to confirm and send. So as you can see here, I have the tenant signing and myself. It's important to note who can sign this document. You can have tenants, property managers, guarantors, and property owners sign documents through the system. If you need a witness to sign alongside a guarantor or a property owner, they would need to be physically present next to the property owner or the guarantor in order to sign that document, as their data does not exist in the system. Once you've confirmed this, you are then able to track the document through the system. Documents and then digital signature. This list will show every document that has been sent through the system. To track your document, you can click on the drop-down arrow next to this and view the activity log. This will give you a log of when the envelope and document were generated, who was assigned to the envelope, and who it was sent to. It will also show you when a reminder has been sent, when somebody has viewed the envelope, and also when someone has signed the envelope. Like this. This feature also gives you the option to resend the envelope. This will resend the entire envelope along with any of the documents which were attached. It will cost another credit. You can also delete the envelope if you need to. The eye icon allows you to see a list of all the different signers. It also allows you to send reminders from this point. This does not use another credit, it just pushes the email back to the top of the recipient's inbox. You also have the option to cancel the envelope. If the recipient then tries to access that, the envelope will just return an error. This list here also shows who is signing the document and the order in which they'll be signing. I will not receive the document until Max has signed the document. Once he's signed, I'll get it. And once I've signed, the document will return back into the tenancy document section of this tenancy as a completed document. We can have a look at this one here. So as you can see, this is a completed document, and I can preview this to see where the signature appears. It will give you a time and date stamp along with an activity log at the end of the document, showing exactly as it did in the digital signatures section. If for whatever reason you find that you need to change the email address of any recipient along this chain, you'll need to get in contact with us via the live chat or email and ask us to change this for you through Signable. You are not able to do this through your own account. And that's how a digital signature works.